Hey Hunneybunches, I hope y'all can see me and I hope everything is clear. This is going to be a really quick video, and this is another video about my hair. I wanted to show you guys how my hair curls because that's the one thing that I did not show or display in the install update. And I achieved these curls with a flat iron. Yes, my first time curling with a flat iron. I finally got it. And then y'all know I always have like that. I never get my hair to where, you know, at the same many points. This side is always like pushed back. I don't know why, but it's kind of like my signature look, I guess. If you want this makeup tutorial, it's actually coming. It's either gonna be before or after this video. Gold digger makeup tutorial. Y'all know my hair is layered. This hair I curled maybe about 3 hours ago, so it's holding the curl quite well. It's making it do what it do. I am in love. I love this hair. You can see I'm running my fingers through it. No shedding, no tangling. The curls are holding beautifully. The hair smelled great. I'm just about to start reviewing the hair all over again. But anyways, you guys, I just want to show y'all how the hair curls, how it looks. This hair is just fabulous, and it is shorter lengths, so that's why it's so much volume, so much boom boom. But you know, I love it. I love. Shout out to the short weaving virgin hair divas. It's not too many. You know, I know most people like to wear their 18 and butter, and I love long hair too. But it's the summer. Go shorter, fuller. Diana Ross's Farrah Fawcett type hair. I love it. I love it. It's holding this curl like no other. If y'all want a tutorial on how to get your hair like this, your big Farrah Fawcett curls, then let me know, Hunneybunches. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video. I'm out.